The In Vitro Diagnostic Regulation replaced the IVD directive. It entered into force on the 25th of May 2017, with the 26th of May 2022 as date of application. The IVDR introduces a series of regulatory changes, including a new risk-based classification system and higher requirements. IVD manufacturers must ensure to meet the relevant regulatory requirements before placing their device onto the EU market. According to the IVDR risk-based classification system, IVDs are classified into 4 classes, A to D, based on the intended purpose of the device and the risk to both the patient and the general population. Given that only Class A non-sterile devices are now accepted as self-declared, around 80 to 85% of IVDs will now require notified body assessment. Depending on IVDR risk-based classification and subject to conditions, transitional periods apply to IVDD self-declared devices. For these, the date of applications is extended to May 2025 for Class D, May 2026 for Class C, and May 2027 for Class B and Class A sterile devices. For all new IVDs to be placed on the market, the extended deadlines do not apply. For these devices, the IVDR applies immediately. Manufacturers are required to be IVDR compliant since the 26th of May 2022. With deadlines approaching, you can increase your knowledge on IVDR requirements by joining our Training Academy IVDR training portfolio. BSI has trained more than 70% of the top 100 medtech companies. We offer a comprehensive training portfolio delivered by BSI's specialised experts who have extensive industry experience from all around the world. Our highly specialised courses provide an in-depth understanding on key topics to increase your knowledge on compliance, implementation and maintenance of IVDR requirements. BSI is a leading full-scope EU-notified body and a UK-approved body. To discover more, simply visit our website.